forging a path to financial freedom requires building money. Opportunity is created by wealth, yet many individuals fail to access it. This is due to the fact that many individuals only seek for quick ways to become wealthy. But actually, wealth building is a step-by-step process. It's true that wealth building requires hard work and lots of effort, but today we will be telling you the 9 easiest and simplest steps that will make you rich very quickly. Don't miss the last step, as it is very crucial. Now let's start. Step number 1. Establish a specific objective. You won't get wealthy overnight unless you intend on accidentally finding it. As a result, setting clear goals is essential before starting any difficult project. Consider your circumstances and decide what you want to accomplish in the end. Set a deadline to accomplish your objective, such as if you want to accumulate a $1 million net worth. Since getting wealthy is such a significant objective, you need to break it down into manageable pieces to increase your chances of accomplishment. Step number 2. Make a plan. Without a strategy, it is less likely that you will meet your financial objectives. Making a plan gives your aim substance. Being wealthy is partly the product of chance, but it is also mostly the result of preparation and hard effort. To make your money work for you, you might want to take steps like making a budget and finding investment possibilities. Whatever you decide to put in your strategy, you should keep checking it. Apathy is not your friend, so keep that in mind. Making the effort necessary to increase your money will be a problem if you have a precise strategy. The key to success, once more, is personalization. If you want to know more earning tricks, then do subscribe our channel and also press the like button. Step number 3. Put your needs first. Although it may seem challenging, paying yourself first is easy. In terms of your financial stability, it also plays a big role. You should also make enough contributions to your employer's 401k plan, if it is available, so that you at least get the corporate match. Before you ever get paid, these amounts are deducted from your salary. You can automate transfers at the majority of banks and other financial organizations, saving you from having to do it by hand. In order to build riches, you must pay yourself first. Step number 4. Invest as soon as possible. Rich people get wealthy by making stock market investments. For the best chance for success, you should begin investing when you are young. It's a great technique to make your money grow by 2 times as much. Over the previous few decades, the return has typically been over 9%, which makes it a fantastic opportunity to increase your net worth. There is a widespread misconception that investing on a budget is impossible. The situation has changed, though. There are several brokerages that allow users to start investing with $100 or less, so there are lots of opportunities. In order to give the funds you have more time to develop, it is essential to start investing as soon as possible. Because compound interest works in your favor, the sooner you start investing, the less money you'll need. Step number 5. Treat debt like a disease. High-interest debt is bad for your finances. You are unable to invest additional money since it depletes your funds. Paying a creditor's exorbitant interest rates is essentially enriching the creditor. I found myself in that predicament. I couldn't pursue riches since I was only making minimal payments. I was unable to pay off my debt until I refinanced it at a cheaper interest rate. Step number 6. Cut your spending. Many people who seek to better their financial situation neglect to save money. But if you want to become wealthy, you can't afford to pass up chances to save money. You can only make so many cuts, but whatever savings you make will enable you to start building money right now. These money can be used to boost your savings balance and finance other investment options. In other words, fewer things means more money at your disposal. In order to avoid making too many sacrifices, search for inexpensive substitutes for any expenses you can't imagine reducing. Step number 7. You should earn more. The key to being wealthy is cutting costs, Yet this is a finite technique. There is never a shortage of extra money. To improve your efforts, you want to blend the two. Delivering for DoorDash is a fantastic possibility if you don't know where to seek to get additional money. As a DoorDash driver, you may choose your own hours and earn a variety of wages depending on a variety of criteria. You'll be astonished at how effectively the extra dollars will help you step up your efforts if you use the easy earning strategies to finance wealth development plans or pay off debt. Step number 8. Develop passive income streams. The likelihood that you will become a billionaire is greatly increased by having many sources of income. Self-made millionaires, according to studies, typically have 3 or more sources of income. It's dangerous to rely on your paycheck as your only source of income in order to amass money. For this reason, researching passive income ideas is extremely beneficial. Real estate is a great method to diversify your investments and develop your wealth outside of the stock market. In order to invest in commercial real estate, for instance, Realty Mogul is a fantastic platform. Starting out simply requires $1,000. Your odds of achieving financial success increase as you add more sources of income. The chance to rent out a car you own to other people through hire car is another exceptional one. Depending on the brand and model of the vehicle, the website states that you may make over $700 a month. Step number 9. Develop yourself. To learn how to become wealthy, keep in mind that your finest resource is already within you. To put money into oneself is crucial for this reason. Numerous ways in which self-education might support your efforts. This might be anything from learning more about your line of business to investing. Either of them, and everything in between, has a direct bearing on the amount you can make or how much your returns will increase. Because they are constantly seeking out new opportunities to learn, many self-made billionaires are like that. Even if every learning opportunity may not always pay off, it gives you a stronger foundation from which to profit from potential circumstances. That's all for today. I hope you got to know all the steps and those are very clear to you. If you are having any doubt, then feel free to comment below. Share this video with all of your friends and relatives. Subscribe our channel for getting regular updates related to finances. And also press the like button. One like motivates us to make more new videos. Remember that wealth building is easy, but only if it is done in a tactful manner. Thank you everyone for watching the video till here.